So the big news is Insta360 have just dropped their new camera. This is the Insta360 One RS with a 360 camera with a 1-inch sensor on it. So the thing that Insta360 are known for is this new modular design. So the nice thing about this modular design is this comes with the RS module in the middle here. So we've got the new 1-inch sensor here, which actually has dual 1-inch sensors, and this is co-developed with Leica. So it should have some really nice quality, works really well in low light. And we've got this little handle here, which has got this nice little switch. We can turn it on and off, and of course the touchscreen. Now this is modular, it means it breaks down. So if you have the RS or the R, you can use the 1-inch camera. This is the action camera, the wide angle. So you could use the other camera. So you could actually just snap off this 360 camera here, and you could use the action or the wide angle with this same setup. The One RS 1-inch 360 edition was co-engineered with Leica, and it consists of dual 1-inch CMOS sensors, one for the front, one for the back. It shoots in 6K video, and of course there's reframing, which you'll see an example of in a moment. Photos are 21 megapixels, and with the larger 1-inch sensor we get better low light performance. So there's a phone app which works for Android and also for iOS, as well as a desktop app. Now let me know in the comments if you want me to do a more in-depth tutorial on the app. Audio setup is actually quite simple. What it does is you just pull the door off the side here, and then you just put this on. Just simply attach it to the selfie stick. Take this, plug it in. Should just kind of click into place. Take the receiver, this plugs in. And now we have the invisible mic. And now I'm ready to go. Now the beautiful thing about this is the way this is designed with the Rode Wireless Go or the Wireless Go 2, this is actually going to be invisible, and also the selfie stick. So you won't see the stick or the mic, it'll just be a floating camera that'll follow me around almost like a drone. So to test it out, why don't we just head out right now and I'll get some footage for you. And here you can see the reframing in action, where I'm just moving the camera around. You can essentially just put it wherever you want. It's almost like having a film crew in your pocket. Now one of the things you might notice is the screen on the car, the stitching's not great, and that's because it's a little close to the camera. They recommend that you be half a meter away to get really good stitching. And I haven't done any color grade or adjustments to this footage. So drop a comment, let me know what you think about this, and if there's anything you'd like me to test on here or maybe do a more comprehensive review, let me know. And if you're new, welcome to photoshopCAFE. Hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, you won't miss any of my videos. And do me a favor guys, hit that thumbs up, that's the like button. It helps us with the YouTube algorithm. And until next time, I'll see you, I don't even know how to point at this camera, at the cafe.